multiplicative inverse. If the product of two numbers is equal to 1, we say that each number is the multiplicative inverse of the other. What do we mean by that? Here we go. 2 times 1 over 2 is equal to 1. So we say that 1 over 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2. Likewise, we also say that 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 2. Alright? Likewise, 4 over 5 times 5 over 4 is equal to what? 1. So 5 over 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 4 over 5. Okay? Also, 4 over 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5 over 4. Alright? Another example. Minus 7 times what? Bracket minus 1 over 7 is going to give us what? 1. So, minus 1 over 7 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 7. And minus 7 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 over 7. Alright? The same thing applies when we have a decimal number 0.4, which shall first be converted to a fraction, which is 4 over, the decimal point will move to the right one time, so we have 4 over 10, which shall be multiplied by 10 over 4, and that will give us 1. Okay, so 10 over 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 4 over 10. At the same time, 4 over 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 over 4. Alright, let us try the last one this time around, which is 5, which shall be multiplied by 1 over 5, and that is what will give us 1. Alright, so 1 over 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5, and 5 is also the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 5. Before we go to the next video to see the application of this multiplicative inverse, we shall first find, by doing an exercises in finding the multiplicative inverse of the following. I'm going to pause the video now so that I can write it fast. So pause the video now to solve this exercise before moving on to the next video. Thank you.